This is 52 years old male patient who is diagnosed vitreous hemorrhage in proliferative diabetic retinopathy. There was fibrovascular membrane or optic disc which is extending to both the arcades. In this case, I had avoided PVD induction and started segmentation of superior part of membrane. I approached from outside to inside. I trimmed whole membrane and lastly I did cautery over bleeding vessel. The inferior part was bigger, so I did segmentation of that part. I went beneath the membrane and got access to trim that. There were some particles which were getting detached from membrane. Thus, all particles were removed. The remaining part was pulling the retina, so there was fear of retinal tear. So I again did segmentation of membrane. I approached from periphery to center. I was pulling the membrane very slowly and very gently to get access. When I got access, I trimmed the membrane. As you can see, I have used minimum vacuum. I repeated this thing many times and finally I could remove membrane with of course some amount of bleeding, but I could avoid retinal tear. I removed all polyps from rest of the area. I used triamcinolone acetate in this case to stain secondary hyaloid membrane. And after staining of the membrane, I removed all those membrane with cutter. And finally, I did internal limiting membrane peeling to avoid epiretinal membrane formation in future. And at the end, retina was stable, all membrane are removed and there was no bleeding.